let's make Big Mac sauce. First, we're gonna add a cup of mayo, just regular good old mayo. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of just regular mustard, yellow mustard. Then 1/4 cup of sweet relish. Then a teaspoon of vinegar. To that, I'm going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Then I added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and recipe calls for white pepper, but I didn't have that, so I just use 1/8 teaspoon or a little more of ground black pepper. You can just use whatever you have at home. And I tasted it, and then I added a little bit of vinegar to my taste and a little bit more of paprika, but it's up to you. You totally make it, do it for yourself. And then I have a nice ground beef, fresh one preferably, and it's smashed down to a taco wrap. Smash it down and simply season it with salt and pepper, and season it pretty well. Don't skimp it out. To that, we're gonna have our pan heated up and then fry the meat side down. And if you have a griddle or your taco shell is a smaller size, you can do a couple at a time as well. You can cook it until it's nice brown and seared it well, and cook on the other side for just a couple seconds. And we add those good old American cheese, or if you have a shredded cheddar cheese, you can use that. But for this recipe, I strongly recommend using just American slices of cheese. And then you put a lid on top of it to melt it down a little faster, and you watch out the heat because you don't want to burn out your taco. And you transfer to a plate, and we're going to plate simply with some iceberg lettuce and some couple finely chopped sweet onions. Then I added some pickle, couple slices. Then we add our highlights of this recipe, the Big Mac sauce, generous amount right on it. And there you go. That is our Big Mac taco, and it was pretty hit in my house. I hope you get to try and make it. And if you enjoyed it, come back for more. For Luna Made.